Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the time black on your iPhone lock screen. This guide will help you achieve a sleek, customized look. First, open the Settings application on your iPhone. Then, scroll down and tap on the Wallpaper section. From there, you will either tap Add New Wallpaper to create a fresh one, or select Customize on your existing lock screen to modify it. It's a straightforward process. Once you are in the lock screen customization interface, tap directly on the time display. This action will bring up the font and color selection tools. You can then choose from several font styles to find one that you like. After selecting your preferred font, tap on the color palette and choose the black color option. This will instantly change your lock screen time to a dark hue. For your black time to truly stand out, it is crucial to consider your lock screen wallpaper. A lighter background will provide excellent contrast, making the black time much more visible and easier to read at a glance. Try to avoid wallpapers that are too busy or excessively dark, as these can make the black text blend in and become difficult to discern. Aim for a clean, simple background. After you have selected your black time and adjusted any other settings, tap the Done button located in the top right corner of your screen. You will then be prompted to either set as Wallpaper Pair or Customize Home Screen further. Choose the option that fits your needs. Finally, lock your iPhone and review your lock screen to ensure the time is now displayed in black, just as you intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.